Hi students, in this video we are going to see about experiment number 10 in data structures with C programming laboratory. Let us go to the topic. Design, develop and implement a menu driven program in C for the following operations on binary search tree of integers. So we are going to create one binary search tree of n integers. The integers are given here. After we created that binary search tree, the next task is to traverse the binary tree search tree in order, pre-order and post-order. So traversals of the nodes in binary search tree is the next task. The third task is to search the binary search tree for a given element key and report the appropriate message. So searching a binary tree element is the third task. And fourth one is delete an element from the binary search tree. So these are the four important tasks which we are going to see about in the binary search tree. Let us go to the topic. So before going to write the program, we must know the meaning of the binary search tree with the binary tree. So here binary search tree and binary tree are the non-linear data structures. So these are classified as non-linear data structure. And what is the differences between the binary tree and binary search tree means? In binary tree, there is no conditions of checking the values of the nodes, but in binary search tree we have to check the values with the values of each node. So how this binary search tree will be formed means always the left siblings, left subchilds will be the lesser value than the root node and right subchilds will be the greater value than the root node. So like that the values of each node is compared according with the values. It is arranged either in left side or right side. So this is the way of forming the binary search tree. So that is the one differences between normal binary tree with the binary search tree. So in binary tree there is no conditions that the root node should have only two subfields. It can have many subchilds, but in binary search tree it should have only two subchilds. Either it may be a left subchild and right subchild. There is no more no two subchilds are allowed in the binary search tree. And so this is the three different forms of traversing the binary search tree. Those are named as in order, pre-order, post-order. So when you see the each orders in its algorithmic way, in order will be first traversed in left side, then root will be focused, then right side will be focused afterwards. So based on the position of root, these are named. So in order in the sense the root should be in between the left and right. So you can assume that the root should be traversed in between left and right side. So in this way the left subchild should be traversed first. After that root will be focused, then it goes to the right subchild. This is the way of traversing in order. Then in pre-order, what happens? The root will be the first one. So root will be traversed and visited first. Then it goes to the left subchild of that entire binary search tree. Then it goes to the right subchild. Like that, the root is now prefixed with its left and right subchilds. Then third one is post order. As the name itself, the root will be the last one. So what will happen here in means the left subchilds are first visited, then it move on to the right subchild. After the left subchild and right subchilds are visited, then root will be focused at last. So this is the way of traversing in three different ways of binary search tree. We'll see with the examples. So in the example, binary search tree is given in the right side. So it starts with the root node of 44, 17, 32 at the left subchilds, and at right side 78, 50, 48, 62 and 82 are there. So these are all the right subchilds of root node 44. So we'll see how this is traversed now. So first we'll focus on pre-order. What is the condition for pre-order? For the pre-order, root should be visited first. So which one will be the root? 44 is the root node of this entire subtree. So this one is now visited first. So 44 is entered. Then it should move on to the left subchilds. So what is the left subchild of 44? 17. So 17 is the next node visited. Then it's as now 17 is considered a root node. It doesn't have left subchild. It goes to the right side. So after the left is visited, it should go to the right side. So according to the 17 root subnodes, 32 is the right subside. So 32 is visited there as a third element. Then as 32 is the leaf node, it doesn't have any left subchild and right subchild. It will move on to the root node. So as per root node is visited, it goes to the right side. So right side is the 78. Now 78 is visited. So 78 is having left subchild. So that's what 50 is now visited. Then 50 is having another subchild. Then 48 is visited. After 48 is visited, it goes to the right side of that 50th root node. So 62 is the right subchild of 50. Now it is visited. Then it moved back to its higher hierarchy. 78 is now treated as root node. It has right subchild of 88, so it is now visited. Likewise, the pre-order is traversed. Like that, the remaining traversals of tree binary search tree is done. Then when you see the algorithms, these are all the three important steps for each traversals in order in the sense tree will be the root node, central node, visited node. So what will happen? Traverse the left side subtree is the first step, then visit to the root, traverse the right subtree is the third steps. Likewise, it is done with the respect to the steps. Then in pre-order, visit the root node is the first step, then traverse the left subtree is the second step, traverse the right subtree is the third step. Then in post-order, traverse the left subtree is the first step, then traverse the right subtree is the second step, visit the root node is the third step. So likewise, it has three steps with respect to its logic. See, there is another one diagram which shows the pre-order traversals of one given example binary search tree. So let us see how it is traveled. So as per pre-order traversal, what is the steps? First, we should visit the root, then left subchild and right subchild. So according to this example, A is considered as a root node. So A is now visited. So A is written here. Then A is having left subchild as B. So B is now visited. Then B is having another subchild of left as D. Then D is now visited. D is since D doesn't have any left and right subchild, it goes to the root of B. Left subchild of B is visited, already visited. So after the left subchild is visited, what is the next step? It should go to the right side. So according to this example, E is the right subchild of B. So that's what after D, E is visited then E is now considered as root node. It has left subchild as F. F is visited. Once this left side of the part is done, then it goes to the right side of the A root node as C. So C is now visited. Then C has the left subchild as G. G is now visited. Then it move on to H. Then it move on to J. J to L. Then L to M. M to K. Then K to O. Like this traversal is done. So, okay, I hope so you understand. Now we move on to the program. So, first step is the inclusion of header files. What are the header files are required for this program are stdio.h and stdlib.h. That two header files are included here. Then next step is to declare a node. So we know the common statement for declaring a one node. So it uses the structure type. So struct node int value is nothing but the data which is going to be stored in the node. Then it has two sublinks, link pointers, that is left pointer and right pointer, and this structure is itself declared as one pointer variable. So these are all the common statement for declaring a one node. I hope so you understand. We have already studied in the previous examples also, right? The next is main. So main, as we know that it is a user driven program, so we should have the menus over there. So what are the menus designed here means, first menu is creation of a binary search tree, second menu is search, third one is recursive traversals, fourth one is delete an element from the binary search tree, and fifth one is exit. So these 5 menus are given and designed here. So